So that's why we started looking here first, because we know nothing. We're brand new.
Same thing with the height, not wheelchair compatible.
So for a long time, the only handicap accessible type RVs was Newmar. The Ventana had actually a wheelchair accessible RV. But now Winnebago has come out with 3 different ones, and we're going to show you all 3 of them and see if it's something that you might be able to use. I mean, what a blessing it is, even though you live in a wheelchair, to be able to get out and explore nature and explore this beautiful country of ours. Let's check it out. Here's the lift. This is the bedroom. And I'll tell you in a minute which unit this is. It has a pull-down bed. Big open bathroom.
And a tiny shower. It would not be very wheelchair compatible.
The shower seems kind of small.
I mean, even if they had a built-in bench, that would make it a little bit more handicapped, but...
One thing that Mary was pointing out is the cabinets are really not lower for handicap accessible type of people. And the shower on this Intent, this is the Winnebago Intent, seems to be kind of small. No stool in there, no chair, so you can be able to fold it down and be able to sit on there and take a shower. So this is the Intent. Let's go check out the other 2. Seems a little nicer.
Same thing with the height, not wheelchair compatible, and like no counter space really. So a little better shower situation, although it still is limited, and like the curtain, seems like you would get quite a bit of water on the floor if you were in a wheelchair and couldn't get out for a shower, but better than the last one. This was smart that they would allow for a wheelchair to come underneath the sink for, you know, doing your morning routine on the sink. That's smart. This is nice that they have the sink for a handicap with a wheelchair, and then there's one for not, so you could each have your own sink. But the toilet is like right out in the bedroom. So this is a nice feature to have this table slide out, have another piece go in there, and then your wheelchair could go underneath there. Really adds to the seating.
One thing you notice is what?
None of them have wheelchair anchors. The person would have to swing into their chair there, which I think if they would have, even do away with that chair and just have a wheelchair anchor, that the person would not have to maneuver in and out of their chair to get in the seat.
All 3 have a Braun Ability platform lift that has an 800-pound lifting capacity. They all 3 have a power door that's air assisted, so it operates with a remote control. And in the bath area, we have a roll-in shower, and you'll notice that it's an all-in-one bath. So there's a wraparound shower curtain. It has a privacy door that closes this area off. We have structure in the walls so that we can add extra assist bars or a folding shower bench seat. We've moved the bed to one side, and that allows a person using a wheelchair to pull up alongside the bed and transfer into the bed. The head of the bed raises and lowers. There's a switch on the nightstand there, and that's what that's for. You see there's ample storage. This is all wardrobe storage. Of the 34T Forza Accessibility Enhanced Motorhome.
Okay, we thought we'd show you the difference between the handicap accessible RVs from Winnebago and from Newmar. This is the Ventana, and we're going to check it inside. Another advantage is that they don't have a slide out on this side. By not having a slide out on this side, you're able to get into the compartments no problem at all. Was it easy for you to get in?
You know, it was.
Yeah?
It was, and it's tight, but it's doable.
It's doable?
Yeah, somebody asked me before because they had a daughter that was a quadriplegic, and I went back and I checked the bathroom and the bedroom out.
How's the bathroom on this?
Good.
Yeah?
You'll see it's a full roll-in shower.
We just saw the Winnebago ones. Have you seen the Winnebago ones?
No, that's kind of our next stop, actually, one. Any good? Yeah?
Don't look too good to us. But
They don't, okay.
you can check it out, but I mean, there's nothing compared to...
Like these guys and Winnebago are the only ones that really build an accessible van. So that's why we started looking here first, because we know nothing. We're brand new.
This is quality. When we were looking to buy, it was either going to be a Newmar or a Tiffin. We ended up with a Tiffin. Now we don't need wheelchair accessible, but the difference is Newmar and Tiffin, they're family owned. If you have a problem, you call them, and they'll take care of it.
So this is the Newmar, and it's got a lot of pluses in it. Very large shower, wheelchair accessible, lots of handrails for safety, roll-in vanity sink, another safety rail. The controls are lower in this unit so that somebody that's in a wheelchair could actually not have to reach up and get them.
Toilet is easy to get into, and if you notice, the bed is actually pulled more to the left side, so you could get a wheelchair right in there and jump into bed. Nice big closet.